Hey everyone, welcome to Motorcycle Garage. In this week's episode, we are out in the open to review these phenomenal urban riding gloves from Mototech. Now, these are premium quality short cuff riding gloves designed for city riding and short touring. First up, let's check the fit and the finish of the gloves. Now, in terms of fit, as I try them on, they seem to fit nicely in my hand. The fit near the fingers is excellent, as we can see. The fabric is stretchable, as I am easily able to move my hands in them. Due to the breathable nature of the fabric, I can't feel any sort of perspiration in the hand. Now let's move on to the build quality and the finish of the glove. The gloves are made of durable genuine leather, synthetic suede and 3D nylon mesh, which makes it a high quality protective gear for riders. The stitching quality is on point as well, and it makes the gloves more durable and strong when we wear it on our hands. The gloves are water resistant and it gets A grade in terms of that. Now, in terms of design, the gloves feel modern, functional and look superb when you see them in person. The placement of the reflective piping is effective as well, as it adds the touch of class to the design. Now let's talk about the comfort. They feel really light and comfortable. The hands, the Velcro strap on the wrist looks great, as it provides a tight fit of the glove in the hand. Overall, the gloves are fantastic in terms of fit, design and comfort. And with that said, let's move on to the performance of the gloves and see how they perform during a ride. Now, as I ride the bike wearing these gloves, the clutch and throttle hold is easy and not slippery. I'm able to move my hand freely without losing any sort of grip on the clutch and throttle. All this simply means that the grip in the glove is excellent. You can see the carbon fiber given on the knuckles and fingers, as it provides high impact protection to a rider. All this comes in handy at the time of a crash. As I ride a bit more, I observe that the leather and synthetic suede given near the palm provides optimum cushion, covering the hand against the handle. The breathable and comfortable suede cushion presses against the handle to provide comfort to the hand. In terms of crash protection, comfort and performance, I give it A+. Now, in terms of additional features, the glove has reflective piping on fingers for better visibility in low light conditions. For all smartphone nuts, it has high quality touchscreen support in thumb and index finger. It also has a visor wiper feature integrated in both index fingers to clear the water on the helmet during the rainy rides. Now, overall, if you're looking for a high quality, comfortable glove, then this one seems to be clicking all check boxes for us. Now, this is a fantastic high quality glove which feels comfortable, looks great and provides wonderful fit and protection for short city rides or quick weekend getaways. With that, we end our official review, but let's list all the technical jargon for you on the screen as I give my final rating to the glove. Now, considering the price, which comes down to a mouth-watering amount of Rs 3,999, we give these fantastic gloves a rating of 4.2 out of 5. Now, if you want more details about the glove, you can comment below or go to our social media accounts. You can also go to outdoortravelgear.com and check out these gloves in detail. You can like, follow and subscribe to the video and buy these gloves from the link given below. With this, we finally say goodbye. See you in the next one.